So it's one more, okay.
That's all.
Okay. Okay. So I'm just trying to create a lesson note on this topic you just gave to me right now. Order of operation with rational numbers. Okay, so I'm trying to create a lesson note around adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing rational numbers.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm with you.
Okay. Uh, we haven't really gone over the last two though, but it's gonna be on the test.
Oh, okay, so you've not really started talking about exponents yet.
I know what exponents are, but like we haven't talked about them yet.
Okay, 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 okay.
Yeah, that's all.
So so let's start with something. Okay,
Mhm.
I'm gonna share my whiteboard with you right now.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing rational numbers. Okay, so first of all, we um okay, estimating rational numbers. First of all, we already know what rational numbers are, right? Can you tell me what rational numbers are, Urina?
Uh, numbers that can be written as exponents.
Sorry?
Numbers that can be written as exponents. I mean, as fractions.
Okay, very good. So can you give me an example?
1/2.
Okay. Can rational numbers be a negative number?
Uh, wait. Um, yeah.
Sorry?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, yes, you're correct. Rational numbers can also be negative numbers. Can rational numbers also be written as decimals?
Wait, what? Can they be written as what?
Decimals.
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful. Beautiful, because you're correct. They can be written as decimals. So we have negative integers, positive integers, whole numbers that can be written as fractions. Okay. We have repeating or recurring decimals. They are also what? Rational numbers, right?
Yeah.
So we'll be looking at adding. We'll be looking at what? Adding rational numbers. And I know this is something you already know.
Mm-hmm.
We'll be looking at adding rational numbers. And when it comes to adding rational numbers, remember that we said that rational numbers can be written as fractions, right? So
Mm-hmm.
just imagine yourself adding fractions. Do you know how to add fractions?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's dive into examples. So for example, it says here, simplify. Okay, beautiful. I can see your pen already. Simplify 3/4 plus 1/6. Remember, we said that rational numbers can be written as fractions. So this is a fraction. So can you simplify this when it comes to adding fractions? Can you do this for me?
Okay.
Okay, so you're gonna annotate. So I'll see the step using. Okay, so annotate for me. Okay.
Okay. Wait, let me write it down.
Okay. Okay.
Wait. I got it.
Okay. So I'm waiting for you to annotate.
Uh, uh, my hands are shaking. Uh, uh, wait. How did I write this down? Okay. Um,
Okay.
um, there.
Okay. Very good. Very good. This is lovely. Nice one, nice one. So actually using what we call equivalent method by making the denominator be the same, then adding the numerator. Very good, very good, very good. So do you know another method using solving fractions?
Huh? No.
Have you heard of the butterfly method?
What? I think so, but I haven't really used it.
Okay, okay. So you heard about it.
I think so.
Okay, okay. So I can teach you the butterfly method at least, so you have that in your in your second option if you want to solve fractions. Okay, you know, when people hear about the butterfly method, they actually say, wow, butterfly, how do we solve this kind of, how do we actually solve fraction using butterfly method? Okay, I'm going to teach you. This method you did is the best method, which is making the denominator look the same. Okay, then you add up the what numerator. That is what everybody normally do. Or you can use the LCM method, which you already, I know you know how to use LCM method, right?
Yeah.
Very good. And as well, you can even use this butterfly method I'm about to teach you as well. Okay, so the butterfly method says, okay, Rena, welcome back. Sorry about that. The network just cut off. I'm sure it's
Okay.
because of, I'm sure it's because of the rain that fell today. Sorry about that. Okay, let me
Okay.
just share back a whiteboard we're using. Let me bring it up back. So most children normally use the butterfly method because they find it a little bit easy to do or to use rather. They find it a little bit easy to use. Okay, so um, let it come up. Okay, so as I was saying earlier on, as in most children normally find it easy to use the butterfly method because it's a little bit straightforward and you don't need to worry yourself in a little bit much. Okay, so this is how we go about the butterfly method. What we just need to do is to just draw our line. We multiply 3 by 6 first. So what is 3 times 6? That will give us what? 18. Plus, then we multiply 4 by 1. What is 4 times 1? That will give us 4.
Or
All over, then we multiply 4 by 6, which is the denominator here. And what is 4 times 6? That will give us what? 24.
or
Yeah. So 8 plus 4 will give us what?
oh, 22.
22. Very good.
Oh,
All
I
over.
see. I see it.
So you can see this, right?
Yeah.
But if you look at this fraction, is it in its lowest form?
No.
So we need to reduce it to its lowest form. So what if we were to do that, what would be the answer?
11 over 12.
11 over 12. Very good. So you can see that you're getting the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's if you want to use the butterfly method, it's also a good thing. If you want to use this equivalent fraction method, also a good method. So any of it goes, okay?
Okay.
Very good. Can you help me write it down? Let me just give you like 4 questions on this. Let me see what you can do.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm done.
You're done. Okay, very good. So I'd love you to solve this question I'm writing down right now. I'm gonna increase this a little. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Just four questions. Okay. So number one says 2 over 3 plus 5 over 4. Question two, 7 over 8 plus 6 over 8. Question three, 1 over 3 plus 2 over 5. And question four, 7 over 9 plus 9.
Okay. Should I like solve all the questions and then like do it one by one, or should I like do the first one and then explain it?
Yeah, you can do the first one and explain on the whiteboard.
Okay.
Yeah, because I love it when you solve on the whiteboard. So I can actually see and understand what you solve.
I'm done with the first one.
Okay, beautiful.
Should I write it down now?
Yes, you can write it
Okay.
down straight to me.
I use the method you explained, so
Okay, so the butterfly method.
yeah.
Okay, good. I love that. Trying new things.
Uh,
Good. Good. Hmm. Beautiful. Nice job. Correct. That is absolutely correct. But I want to point out something to you, Marina. Okay.
Mm.
When you're multiplying, okay, always do this one first. The one by your right, 2 times 4, always do it first, okay?
Oh,
Because the reason why I'm saying so, when we're looking at subtraction of rational numbers, it might not, it might be, you might be getting negative numbers. Though you're meant to get negative numbers, but it's always right to do this one first. 2 times 4 will come first before 3 times 5, okay?
okay.
Yeah, so but good job.
I
So
did
what?
that first on paper.
Okay, okay. So good job. One number, 11 over 12. Fantastic. Okay, so let's do number two. Are you doing that already?
Oh,
This is correct.
oh,
Okay, so you're done, right?
yeah.
Okay, so give it to me. Good. Very good. Correct. Correct. Do you know that you're very, very smart? Do you know that?
Yeah.
Okay. Because the reason why I'm saying it is that in this particular question, you don't even need to use the butterfly method, right?
Yeah.
Because the denominators are already the same. So I love the fact that he does it straightforward because I was just watching. I said, okay, will Lorena use butterfly method or will she use the other method? And when you use the other method, I was just so happy. I said, yes, you are very, very smart. Good job, Rita. Good job.
Thank you.
Yeah, so let's do question 3. I'll help you rub up the whiteboard. Okay. Are you still on it?
Wait, give me a second.
Okay.
I'm done.
Okay. Good. Okay. Beautiful.
Um, Wait, give me a second, real quick.
Yeah. I'm with you. I'm watching.
Um, okay, I'm done.
Okay. Okay. Beautiful. So 11 over 15 is your answer, right?
Yeah, I had to recalculate because when I was doing 3 times 2, I accidentally did 3 plus 2. So
Okay. Okay. Thank God you're able to find out your mistake and you're able to correct it immediately.
yeah.
That's good. That's smart of good. So this is correct. So last question, excuse me, question 4. Let's do it together.
Oh, 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 together.
No, you can do
Oh,
it.
okay.
I'm watching you. Yeah.
Uh, 7. Oh,
Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice job. So this is correct as well. Okay. So you can see that adding rational numbers or fractions is not that hard. Okay.
okay.
So this is something you can do.
Wait a
Okay.
minute.
Where I want to even target is more of subtraction. Okay, why did you say I
Wait
should
a minute.
wait?
Wait. Uh,
Okay.
I don't know if you can see this, but like, this is kind of like what we're doing. I don't know if you can see that.
Okay. Can you put it to this closer to the screen? Aha. Yes. Okay. I can see it. I can see it. Yeah, I can see it. This was where I was actually about to go in subtraction, where you have a mixture of both subtraction and addition. You're having something like -2/3 plus 4/1. or minus half plus into bracket minus. So combination like that, that's what I was about. That is what I was about to teach you. That's why I say that when it comes to addition, it's not that hard, but subtraction, how do we go about it? So that's what I want to go teach you right now. So are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm sure you know those ones in your textbook, right?
Yes.
So if you
Just
have,
some of them.
okay, some of them, okay. Okay, can you write down the one you don't know? Can you write down the question, the one you feel that you're looking a little bit confused in?
Oh, let me see.
Okay, so put it on the whiteboard so we can look at it. Then I can tell you what to do so that you have an idea of what to do.
Uh, this is just an example, because
Okay,
yeah.
minus 5.4, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay,
Wait, there's one more.
okay,
That's a 6, by the way.
okay,
Okay.
okay. These are lovely questions. These are beautiful questions. And I know that you can handle it once I teach you now. Um, okay. Remember that I told you that rational numbers can be written as decimals, they can be written as fraction, negative integers, positive integers, recurring decimals. Those are rational numbers. So if you have this particular question and you're asked to solve this, okay, let me just test you. What comes to your mind? What's the first thing you would do for this particular question now? What comes to your mind if you're asked to solve this question? The first step you love to take.
Um, um, that's a good question. Um,
Yeah.
the first thing that comes to my mind,
Yeah.
uh, turning the the decimal into a fraction.
Okay, good. Good. So what's
How do you turn it into a fraction again?
okay? Then let me refresh your memory. Okay. Okay. Imagine if you have one, rather 2.1, 2.1, okay, and you're asked to turn 2.1 back to a fraction. What comes to your mind is, okay, 2.1. How many decimal places is 2.1? Is it one decimal place, two decimal place?
Uh-huh.
How many decimal places is 2.1?
Um, one.
One decimal place, correct. So since it's one decimal place, this is going to be over 10. Are you saying this? Since 2.1 is one decimal place, it's going to be over 10. And once you've done that, you just need to write the number alone, 21. So this is 21 over 10, back to fraction. So if I'm to convert 21 over 10 back to decimal, it's going to be 2.1. Are you saying this?
Uh-huh.
So if I'm to have, let's say another example, 4.123. Now 4.123, how many decimal place is 4.123?
3.
Three decimal place. So since we have three decimal place, this is going to be over 1,000. Are you seeing this? Now I just need to write 4, 1, 2, 3. So this, do you get this, Reina?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let me give you one for you to just change it back to fraction for me. Imagine if I should give you 8.71 and I ask you to turn this back to fraction. What's going to be your answer? 8.71.
Uh, 871 over 100.
Very good. 871 over 100. Absolutely correct. So do you get this now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Beautiful. Beautiful. And I've always loved that you're a fast learner.
Wait,
Okay.
wait. So then how,
Okay. What's the
wait.
question?
So then how,
Okay. No, feel free to ask. We're learning, okay?
wait, let me do the math real quick.
Okay, we want to try the question yourself now?
Yeah.
Okay, good, good, good. I love that.
If I was turning uh the number 5.4 into
A
um
fraction.
a fraction, would I
Yes.
have to simplify the fraction?
To its lowest form?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh,
Very, very possible. To make it more easier for you, you simplify it to its lowest form. Or you can still use it that way. Your choice. But to make it more easier for you, you simplify it to its lowest form so that you can be able to solve it faster.
I always hated simplifying.
I always love simplifying. Any question that requires you to simplify is very, very easy.
What's 54 divided by 2?
54 divided by 2. What is half of
20,
54?
20, 27? 27?
27? Yeah, you're correct.
Okay. So then the fraction would be 27 over
Over what?
5.
Over 5, which is correct. 27 over 5.
Um, oh, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
You don't know what to do. So what stage are you in right now?
Um,
You've reduced it to its lowest form, right?
yeah, that's all I did.
Okay, so you have this is going to be minus 27 all over 5, right? Plus, are you saying
Oh,
this?
I forgot to add the negative sign.
Minus, okay, all over 8, right?
Uh-huh.
Now, once the first step you gave to me was a very brilliant step by you saying you want to change the decimal to fraction. That's the first step. The next step is for you to open this bracket right now. Okay? And how do we open the bracket? How do we open the bracket? What we need to do is to actually multiply this positive sign by what is in the bracket here. So we have plus times minus 3 over 8. So what is plus times minus? That will actually give us minus.
Yeah.
Plus times minus will give us minus. So we'll be having minus 27 over 5 minus 3 over 8. And now you can actually solve this particular fraction. Minus 27 over 5 minus 3 over 8. You can use the butterfly method. You can use the equivalent fraction method just to make the denominator the same. You still arrive at the same answer. Are you looking confused? Okay. But you can solve this, right?
I can try.
Okay, try. Because I know that anytime you try, you're always getting the answer correctly. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
uh,
Have you got your answer?
wait, wait. Oh, 27. A negative times a positive is a negative, right?
Sorry?
A negative times a positive is a negative, right?
Yes.
Okay. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but let me
Okay.
see. Uh,
Well, you know, actually not to divide, right?
divide, yes.
Okay. Because after doing this, I'll still teach you another method which you can use.
There's another method.
Yeah. You can convert that fraction to decimal and just add up to get your answer. Convert 3 over 8 to decimal, then add it up and get your answer.
Oh,
Yeah. You will still arrive at the
uh,
same answer.
I'm
But let
almost
me see.
done.
You're almost done. Okay.
I think. Okay. I think
Okay.
I am finished.
Okay. So what did you get as your answer?
Can I write it? Can I
Yeah,
write
you
it
can.
how I did it?
Yeah, you write it, of course. I'd love to see how you did it.
I don't know if this is right or not, but um, how do I uh
Continue on with you.
how do I make the brush bigger?
You want to see the question?
Wait, no, how do I make the brush bigger? Because it's kind of small. The-
You want to increase the fonts?
Yeah.
You can do that by increasing it here. Is this okay?
Okay. So
Okay.
wait, this was the problem,
Okay.
right?
Yes, you're
Okay.
correct.
So I did uh,
Good.
uh, I'm not sure if I did the math right, but I got 216.
Very good. Correct. 216.
And then I did 5 times 8. And I got and I got 15. And then I did
Mm-hmm.
5 times 8 and
Mm-hmm.
I got 40.
Okay.
And then that's negative 201/40.
Okay. You're actually correct, but where you made a mistake, remember from the question. Look at this. Look at this, Irina. Remember what the question has. This is meant to be minus. Are you seeing this here?
What's meant to be
Minus
minus?
sign. You know it's minus 27 over 5 minus 3 over 8. So from your work here, you're putting plus instead of minus. Okay? So that's the only mistake you made. And once you put a minus sign here, this value will actually change. So
Wait,
it won't be
I could
minus.
I could do
Okay,
it.
okay. Yeah, do it, do it. Mhm.
Um, okay.
Yeah, okay. What
Wait,
did you do?
wait, 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 wait. I don't know if I did that right.
Okay, check it again.
Oh, I miscalculated. I miscalculated.
Okay. And that is meant to be what?
3,
3. Very good. So minus 231 all over
40.
40. Very good. Are you seeing this now?
Mm-hmm.
And this is your answer. But you know that this is an improper fraction, right?
Wait, I have uh, so that's 2.
Okay. Okay, because it might be a little bit difficult if you're changing this to decimal, or you changing it to an a mixed number.
It's
So
supposed to be a mixed number, right?
yes.
Okay.
You can still leave it in a mixed number, or you can leave it as a decimal.
I can do this.
I know you can do it. I know you can do it. Just always believe in yourself, okay? I know you can
Okay.
do it.
Uh,
Okay, so what did you get?
um, uh, wait. Negative,
Mm-hmm.
negative
Mm-hmm.
5.
-5, uh-huh.
Uh, oh, ne-
-5, uh-huh.
and 31 over
31
40.
over 40.
Oh, that
Very
does not look
good.
like a 4.
Okay, and that is correct. Negative
Yeah.
5, 31 over 40. Correct. As I said earlier on, you can either leave it this way or you can leave it in decimal. You know, from our question, I told you about changing 3 over 8 to a decimal. If you want to solve it in this fraction form, you can change 3 over 8 to decimal. Once you get your answer in decimal, you can now solve. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So what about this other question? Can you do it? Because your brother is meant to come in right now.
There's another question.
Yeah, this one you wrote. This one
Oh,
you
I
wrote here.
forgot about.
You forgot about it.
Ah,
Okay.
okay.
Let me rub this up so you can do it. Okay.
Wait, I can do it in my head.
You can do it in your head. Wow. If you can do it, that I'll be very, very, very happy.
Okay, I can do
Yeah.
this. So
Mm-hmm.
I think I can do.
So what did you get?
Wait, I'm not done. Negative. Uh, 4, 5. Hmm. Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, uh, wait, I'm almost done. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. I've, I'm almost done.
Okay.
I think I'm good at mental math. So,
So what's your answer?
uh, wait, that's not supposed to be negative, right? It's it's not negative, right?
It's meant to be negative.
It's negative. Oh,
Yeah.
that's supposed to be negative.
Yeah. Check it out. Negative 16 plus 4 whole number 5 over 8. It's meant to be negative.
Oh, wait. I have to check my book again because I thought that. Wait. Oh. Uh,
Or did you make a mistake in the
I
okay? Okay, Giovanni's already in.
oh, mental math. No, I'm
Uh,
good at mental math. It's
yes.
negative
Mm-hmm.
negative 91
Negative
over
91.
8 over
Uh,
8 negative 91 over 8.
negative 91 over 8. So what is negative 91 over 8?
Wait.
91 divided by 8. You're actually correct.
Oh, I'm right.
Negative 91 over 8.
You
And
got
that
this,
should
Orna.
give you negative 11 whole number or 11.375. And that's your answer. Negative 91 over 8. So if you're converting negative 91 over 8 to a mixed number or to a decimal fraction, you're actually
Negative.
correct. Okay?
Okay.
So good job, Verena. Good job. You see, I tell you, believe and trust in yourself. And the question you're trying to attempt, you're always getting the answer correctly. Okay? So good job. Good job.
And
So
I'm way
by the grace of
smarter
God,
than
we'll see
my
you in
brother.
the
I'm way smarter than my brother. I'm 10 times smarter than my brother.
Wrong.
next. You guys are smart. You guys, both of you are very, very
I'm smarter.
okay. So Rena, we'll be meeting. Okay, so in the next class, we'll be looking at other ones like multiplication and division, okay, of rational numbers. Okay? I know you know that already, right?
I think we're gonna have the test.
When?
Uh,
Next week.
um, I mean, it was supposed to be on Thursday, but
Okay.
my teacher says he doesn't know if it's gonna be on Thursday anymore because we have like stuff at school going on
Okay.
Thursday and Friday. So like he
On
doesn't know.
Friday. Oh, okay. Okay. So if you have stuff going on Thursday and Fridays, your test should be by next week.
Yeah.
Okay. And we're still going to meet on Saturday.
Yeah.
Do you have any activity going on Friday
Uh
by
on
5 your time?
uh on Thursday we have to take pictures and
Okay.
we have a high school visit. And
Okay.
on Friday, our school is having like a ceremony thing for our
Okay.
school
Okay.
because the school has been up for like 100 years, and I think they're celebrating that or something.
Oh,
And yeah,
oh,
that's all I know.
okay, that's all you know. Okay. Okay, there's no problem about that. There's no problem about that, okay? So
Okay.
keep on being smart, okay?
Yep. Way smarter than my brother.
Okay. So I have to face Giovanni right now, okay? So you can go along. What about Lady? Oh, she's good.
Oh yeah, she's good.
Okay. Okay. So take care of
Bye.
yourself, okay? Bye.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so Giovanni, how you doing today?
I'm doing good. How about you?
Okay. I'm doing good as well. Thank you very much. Yeah. So you're ready to learn today, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was told you're having a math test tomorrow, right?
Yeah,
Okay, so how prepared are you for that test?
I think I'm pretty ready, but I'm not.
What was that again?
I feel
Okay, okay, so can you help me type out those topics you've treated? Or is it just linear equation and literary equation you've done?
let me check. Let me pull it up. Um,
Okay.
so um, so it's on literal linear equations with applications and algebra. Here you go. Can you can you go? Can you? It's algebraic properties, linear and literal equations with applications.
Okay. Just those two
Yeah, that's
topics?
it.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, then no problem. We're going to talk more of literary equation today, then we solve more questions. Okay, like last class, I gave you some
Okay.
question that I know that yeah. So I'll be giving you more today. Okay, so I'll be sharing my
Okay.
screen right now. Okay, so we're looking at okay, just give me a minute. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay, so we're looking at literary equations. Okay. So
Okay.
once you hear this word literary equations, what comes to your mind?
The world literally.
Yeah.
Mm,
And what does
Yeah.
it mean?
Like like actually like seriously, I guess.
Okay. Okay. Now when you hear the word literary, as you said, okay, well, I say the English word for that is you being serious about something. Okay. But when it
Yeah.
comes to mathematics, you're trying to bring in more than one variables
Mhm.
to a particular equation. More than one, or more than two or more variables into a particular equation. So literary equation is talking about okay, so can you help me read what's on your screen?
The definition of literal equation. So, literal equation is an equation that involves two or more variables, letters, making any of the letters subject to a formula. Examples: A equals L times W, the area of a rectangle. I
Yeah,
equals T times R times T divided by 100, simple interest. And
yeah,
Y equals MX plus C, equation of a straight line.
very good. You can see literary equation, as I said earlier on, is talking about you having more than one variables in a particular more than one variables, and we said variables are letters, okay? Variables are what letters. So when you have more than one variable in an equation and you're making of those variables the subject of the formula, it's what we're talking about literary equation. It's more of literary equation. Okay, but yeah, we don't call it literary equation, we call it subject of the formula. That's what we know it for. Making a particular letter the subject of the formula. And this is what you've been doing all the time. Okay, if you're asked to calculate the area of a rectangle, we already know that the area of a rectangle is length times width. if I should ask you what is the area of a circle, do you know the area of a circle, Giovanni?
Very good.
It's pi. I'm pretty sure. Or,
Yeah, pi.
I think that's it, right?
Pi what?
It's
The area of a circle? I'm sure. Okay.
I think why y'all still can y'all leave? Yeah,
If
wait,
if
pi. It's pi times the radius.
if
Isn't
Verena is
this
close to you, I'm sure she's telling you the answer because she should know this.
Yes.
So she should know this. I've taught her this area of a circle. So she won't tell you the answer right now. Verena, what's the area of a circle?
Orna? Come back here because he has a question for you. Yeah, can you ask it again?
What is the area of a circle?
What is the area of a circle? What is the area of a circle?
Area?
Yes.
R2. R2.
No. Pi times R2. It's pi times radius squared, not R2. It's pi times R2.
That's the formula.
Okay, that's enough for you.
Okay. Thank you very much, Verena. Okay. So you can see that the area of a circle, and this is something we've been doing all the time,
Can you leave?
that the
Okay, thank you.
okay. So this is something we did all the time. Making a particular letter the subject of the formula. Okay. For simple interest, you have principal times rate times time all over what? 100. Okay. You could be given a formula and you'll be asked to make that particular letter the subject of what? The formula, depending on what the question is all about. Okay. And there's some things you need to know. There's some rules you need to know when it comes to making a particular letter the set of formula, depending on the equation given to you. You're going to learn today, and we'll solve questions on that because some people find it difficult to make a particular letter the subject of the what formula. Okay. Okay. So I don't know if it's possible for you to take this down pretty quick. Can you do that for me?
But like take the what down?
The note.
Oh yeah.
Okay. That's a quick one. So remember what literary equation is all about. And after this, we go straight to working examples.
Okay.
Okay, are you true?
Hold on one second.
Okay.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, beautiful. Good job. So let's go straight over to working examples right now. Okay, so you can see right here in example 1, you're asked to make, you can see this is the area of a rectangle, right?
Yeah.
Is equals to length times width. And you're asked to make the length the subject of the formula. How do we make the length the subject of the formula? Okay, since you're given area A is equal to length times weight. In order for us to make L the subject of the formula, what we need to do is divide both sides by the what? The weight. Are you seeing this?
Yeah.
So the weight cancels the weight. So we're left with what? The
A
left.
A over W equals L.
Very good. So you've actually made L the subject of a formula. The same way, if I'm asking you to also make W the subject of the formula, okay? So if you're asked to make W the subject of the formula, what will be your answer?
You would divide both sides by L.
Yeah, very good. And that will be W is equals to what?
It would be W equals to A over L.
Very good. A over L, correct. So this one is just straightforward. This kind of equation is straightforward. It's not that complex. Okay, it's not that complex. But if you look at example 2 right now, where you have interest is equal to PRT all over 100. And in this question, you're asked to make the principal, which is P, the subject of the formula. How do you go about that? Remember, this is interest is equals to PRT all over 100. So in order for us to make the P, which is the principal, the subject of the formula, what we need to do is to do what? The variables, this is going to be interest over 1. If you have to change this into fraction, the next thing is for us to cross multiply. So this is going to be 100. Are you seeing this? 100 times I is equal to PRT, because PRT times 1 will give us PRT. Now remember, we're making P the subject of the formula, so we need to divide both sides by RT. Okay?
Okay.
By dividing both sides by RT. So RT cancels out RT over here. So we're left with P is equals to 100 times I all over RT. And this is what we got as our answer. Okay? So do you get this, Giovanni?
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful. And the last one, which you have, y is equals to mx plus t, which is the equation of a straight line. Okay, to mx plus c, which is the equation of a straight line. You could be asked, okay, from the question here, you're asked to make x the subject of the formula. So we have our y to be equals to mx plus c. Okay, so the first thing that comes to your mind is for us to transpose, meaning that we're going to be subtracting both sides by c. Okay, so we'll be having y minus c is equal to mx. Are you seeing this?
Yeah.
Now, we're not left with making dividing both sides by what? M. Okay, so once you divide both sides by m cancel out m. So we're left with x is equal to y minus c all over what? M. Are you seeing this?
Yeah.
So this is just like a straightforward work that you can do. These are simple equations that one can do, okay? And you won't have much issues in them. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
So can you write it down so I can give you a class activity to do?
All right.
Yeah. So it's from this class activity I would actually know your strengths, particular topic.
I'm done.
You're done. Okay, beautiful. So let me just wipe this up. Okay. So try this for me right now. Are you seeing this?
Yeah.
So it says rearrange the following formulas. B is equals to pi r square h. Make r the subject of the formula.
Okay.
Make r. So maybe when you finish writing it in your book, solving it in your book, you can actually annotate for me in the screen. Let me see the way you're gonna do it. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm done.
Are you done with number one?
Wait, so what I did,
Okay.
hold on. So it's the
Okay.
I first subtracted. I mean, I didn't subtract. I divided side
Mm-hmm.
by pi h. I did on the other
By H,
side.
very good. Correct. By H, correct.
There's and so I
Good.
had v over pi h equals
Mm-hmm.
r two.
Very
So
good.
and I subtracted
Okay.
both sides by r.
Mm-hmm.
So it was v over pi h minus
Good.
r equals r. I understand that makes, but I have r on both sides, so I'm kind of confused for that.
Okay, okay. I'm going to break it down for you right now. But I love the fact that you made the first approach by dividing both sides by pi h, and you got v all over pi h is equal to r square. Okay. So now the next step, which you're going to do right now, because I wanted to show you that in a situation whereby you have an exponent, you know what's called an exponent, a power, right?
Yeah,
Very good. This is what you're meant to do. So okay, so you've already gotten you've gone halfway from it right now by saying that v all over pi h v all over pi h is equals to r squared, right?
yeah,
Or r raised to the power of 2. So in order for us to remove this raised to the power of 2, or in order for us to, we're going to be finding the square root of this exponent, because the square root of square, or the inverse of a square, is square root, and the inverse of square root is what. Just like the inverse of multiplication is division, and the inverse of division is what? Multiplication, right?
hmm,
Okay, and the inverse of subtraction is addition, and the inverse of addition is what? Subtraction. So right now, the inverse of square is what? Square root. So we'll be finding this both sides of this equation. Are you seeing this?
yeah,
Now, square root cancels out this square, so we're left with only r now. So our answer will now be the square root of v all over pi h. Are you seeing this? So this is
yeah,
the answer. So r is equals to the square root of v all over pi h. So whenever you have either a square or a square root, just know the inverse. Okay? If you have a square root and you're trying to make that particular letter that has a square root to be the sort of formula, just find the square of both sides. Okay, imagine if I have something like this again. Imagine if I'm asked to make okay, imagine if I have the square root of r is equal to 2w, and I'm asked to make r the subject of the formula. You know that I cannot have the square root here. What I need to do is to find the square of both sides. Since I have the square root here, I'll find the square of both sides. So this is going to be the square root of r squared, and this will now be the square of 2w. So this square cancels out the square root. So I left with r is equal to 2w squared.
Okay.
Are you seeing this now? Do you get this?
Yeah, I understand that.
Okay, you understand it now. Okay, very good. Very good. So maybe you can write it down just to take notes. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, beautiful. So once this is can you solve question 2 for me? Yeah. It says make A the subject of the formula. These are like more like complex equations.
I'm done.
Okay, so can you show me on the screen what you actually did?
So first, I subtracted t from both sides. So I cancel that. So I have
Okay, very good.
s minus u t equals
Very good.
1/2 of 1/2 times a times
It is
t
square.
squared. Then I divided both sides by 1/2 times t squared.
Okay,
That canceled out.
very good.
I was left with s minus u t over um one 1/2
Mm-hmm.
times t
A
squared
square. Okay,
a.
very good. And that is correct. 1/2 t square. Okay, s minus ut all over 1/2 t square is equals to a, and that is correct. But if you're asked not to leave this, is this the final answer you want to give? You know, you can still simplify further.
Um, wait, I can make it because if 1/2 multiplied by t squared, it would be wait that right? Wait, I have T squared.
That will give you T squared all over 2, right?
Oh yeah,
But you know that you can rewrite this by saying by having it this way. This is gonna be S all over UT. Are you seeing this?
yeah.
Right? Divided by, right? This can be written as T squared all over 2, right?
Mhm.
So if I change this now, division to multiplication, you'll be having S minus UT times 2 all over T squared. You'll be finding the reciprocal, right?
Yeah.
So your final answer will look in this form: 2 into bracket S minus UT all over T squared. Are you seeing this?
Yeah.
So just in case you don't see your answer in this format, maybe in the option, and you see this, you know that yes, you've written it this way. You can even do that by opening the bracket by saying maybe your final answer will now be 2S minus 2UT all over T squared. So anyhow you meet your answer, just know that you've further simplified everything. Okay?
Hmm.
Okay, very good. Good job. I'm happy that you understand the concept. Okay, can you do question 3? You can write this down. Write it down. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. So
So,
okay, good.
right, 2L both sides. So it's B minus 2L equals 2W. Then I'll
W, good.
both sides by 2.
Good.
So it's W equals E minus 2L
Go
over 2.
over 2, which is absolutely correct. That is good. Good job. Good job. Okay. So
Mm.
that answer is absolutely what? Correct. I still have some more questions. Okay. So we already know what literary equations is all about. Um, Tell me the answer for number 2
Number 2.
without even solving it on the screen. Just tell me the answer.
I divide I divide I divide both sides by pi R2 E pi R2 equals 8.
H. Correct. Correct. And question 3, can you tell me what your answer is?
I divide both sides by A. So it's M equals F over A.
Yeah. M is equals to F over A. Correct. Absolutely correct. So when it comes to literal equation and linear equation, I'm sure that you don't have any issue with them. Okay.
Mm.
You know, we've done linear equation before, but I'm still going to give you a question on that for more clarification. But this is your assignment. You can take this assignment down so that in the next class, I'd love to see it. Okay. Take the assignment down, then I'll give you more practice question now to do. Okay.
All right.
So you say you also talk what topic again? Is it algebraic expression?
For algebraic expressions and linear equations.
Okay. Okay. Algebraic expressions. Okay. So algebraic expression, is it where you taught how to collect like terms, how to group?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So I'll just be giving you more practice questions so that you'll be able to gain more knowledge. Okay. So once
Mm.
you're through with this, I'll go over to the practice area so that I'll give you more questions. Excuse me.
I'm done. Okay.
Okay. I'm going to stop this now. Let me go to where we have practice question. So I'm going to put in the link on the chat. Okay. So that's the link on the chat right now. So you can comment, so I will accept you. Okay.
All right. It's really yeah.
Okay. Ah, don't tell me. Oh, okay. Seeing your progress, question 10. You just need to be a little bit careful when you're solving the questions. Question 10. Wow, that's very easy. Why did you fail question 10?
same vibes. But so,
You need to be very careful with this with the operational signs plus multiplication, addition and subtraction, um, division. You need to be very, very careful when you're using them. Okay, very, very important.
it's oh, I get that. Like, hold on. I feel kind of weird. It's kind of hot in my room. I feel kind of weird. 1 second.
Sorry, what did you say?
It's like really hot in my room. It's making me feel a little weird. 1 second.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
It's like really hot in my room. It's making me feel weird.
It's looking hard.
It's hot in my room. It's making me feel a little weird.
Okay, 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 okay. Can you change your location then?
This give me 1 second.
Hello, Giovanni, are you there? Are you back? Are you okay? Hello, Giovanni. Are you okay now?
Yeah. Hello, Kelechi. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Giovanni. Are you still
Yeah,
there?
yeah,
Are you okay
Giovanni.
now?
He just told me that he's not feeling well.
Yeah, he told me that the room is a little bit hot.
Okay. Yes, I put on the okay, that's why. Okay, maybe I'll take it downstairs. But I put on the AC for him. But he's gonna just
Okay,
take a little while to cool.
okay, okay.
Yes. Sorry, my dear. Sorry.
That's no
He
problem,
came
That's
into
no
my
problem.
room. He came into my room. Don't worry. It got cold last night. I put off the AC. Yeah,
Okay,
don't mind
okay,
them. They can't stay in hot place. It's not even hot.
okay, okay. No problem,
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay, dear. I'll tell you. I just sit online, so maybe you should go downstairs so you guys can round up. Hello?
Yeah, yeah, no problem.
Do you want me to? You want him to set up downstairs, like where it's cooler?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Only says. You should have told me that was hard. Hello? Hello.
Okay, I'm
Yeah.
with you,
So
ma.
yeah. So I put on the AC, right? It's gonna take a little while for the house to cool. Like the AC we have here is not like it just cools the entire house. So what I'm gonna do,
Okay,
I'm gonna take his laptop downstairs for him. But
okay,
the Zoom might cut off. But just give me like 5 minutes to reconnect, okay?
okay. No problem, man. No
Okay.
problem.
All right.
No
Thank you.
problem, man. Yeah. Okay, welcome back, Giovanni. Okay, how you feeling now?
A little better.
Okay. Seems you're not always good under low temperatures.
I guess not.
Okay. I'm happy you're better now. So can you continue?
I could try a little bit more. I don't want to go lay down soon.
Okay. So you still have the link there?
Yeah. Okay. I don't see the link anymore.
Okay. Um, Let me end this and I'm going to send the link again now to the chat. Okay, you've done that now. The link should be in your chat right now. Okay. Just try to look at the question carefully. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. I'm doing a good job. Good. You can see that it seems it was the host room that was messing around with your ability to work out answers correctly.
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
That's
You're doing a good job. Are you finding the question a little bit difficult?
Yeah, a little bit. It's, I think it's either um A or B.
What number are you solving right now?
Um, I think it's either A or D.
Okay, for what number? What number are you solving right now?
180 parentheses n minus 2 close parentheses equals s.
180. Okay. So you're asked to make n the subject of the formula. Okay, so you divide both sides by 180. Okay, uh-huh. Once you do that, your answer is looking at you there. So what is your answer is?
Wait. So I distributed the 180. So I had 180 n minus 360 equals s. So then I
Mhm.
added 360 both sides. So it's s was 360 um equals 180 n, and then I divide the n from both. I divide the n from the 180 from both
Mm-hmm.
sides.
Mm-hmm.
That cancels out. And then
Okay.
to simplify, I think I got confused where how I simplify it. So
Okay,
three,
you just need to simplify. Because when you simplify, you get your answer. What you did is actually correct by opening the brackets. So when you get to simplify, you'll be getting your answer, and the answer is C.
see,
Yeah.
wait, so I divide 360 by 180.
Yeah. And that will be that the answer will be 2.
It's
Yeah.
good. And then that I and when it comes to questions like this, you opening the bracket is the right step. But if you look at the options now, you can see that there's no option of 360 there, meaning that they had to simplify further. So what I just need to do, instead of opening the brackets, to save my time, I just divide both sides by 180. So I'll be left with n minus 2 is equals to s all over 180. So I transpose minus 2. That means add 2 to both sides of the equation. see.
So the answer is C. I'll be having n is equals to s over 180 plus 2. So the answer is C. Yeah. Okay, so
So it's
Okay, good.
wait, oh, so
Okay, good. 80% class accuracy. Good. In your progress over here.
oh, I'm, I, but isn't uh,
Okay. Hello, Giovanna, are you with me?
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
It's,
Good job. 90% class accuracy. Good. Good. You're doing a great job. Good. Good. So I just left it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 questions. Good. Can see you're getting the hang of it. Good. So you're thus down to 3 more questions. Good. Okay. Okay. It should be in your redemption question right now. Okay, beautiful. Okay. Okay, beautiful. Nice job, Giovanni. Nice job. At least you have an idea of what it means to make a particular variable set of formula. Okay, just that more practice makes perfect. But with what you have here, 95% class accuracy, I'm sure that any question that will be given to you, you won't find it difficult at all. Then for algebraic expression, you have it's not something that's so hard. Okay, I know it's something you can do, right?
Yeah, probably. I should be able to.
Sorry?
I should be able to do it.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. So I wish you all the best in your test tomorrow. I'm sure you're going to come out with flying colors, right?
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful. So once you're coming out with flying colors, remember, work with time. Um, always cross-check your work, okay?
Hmm.
Cross-check your work, and anytime you feel that you're confused, just remain calm, relax, and go over the question again, okay?
Hmm.
And I see you succeeding. So I would love to hear good news in our next class, okay? About your test score, okay?
All
Okay,
right.
beautiful. So see you in the next class. Take care of yourself, okay?
All right. You too.
Yeah, bye.
Uncle Chigo,
Yes, ma'am.
go, go and sleep. You're
Let
tired.
me guys.
You're tired. Oh my God.
I would have finished
Okay.
the class since, if not for the fact that
I
his
know, but
laptop.
you did well. I'm happy he practiced a lot. That's good.
Yes,
I'm
yes,
glad
ma'am.
he practiced a lot. So,
Yes,
go and say, so the class for Saturday we still hold.
yes, ma. Yes, yes.
Mm. Okay, so what you should do is just let me know your schedule so I can get back
Okay,
to mom so we know if we're doing Tuesday or we're sticking to our plan.
okay. Because I asked Rena on Friday if they
Do you
are having
understand?
anything.
Mm-hmm.
I was asking.
What did she say?
She said that they are always do something
Urena.
in school. Yes, on Friday, something like a party. I don't know.
Okay, so when were they asking? So is that why she wants her class on Friday?
I don't know. I don't know.
Me self, I didn't even understand
But
the
I was,
answer. The answer.
but I still love
uh,
it this way. I just love it this way.
Okay, I think
At
we should
least,
keep it this way so that you are not stressed out for the Friday
yes, Tuesday
classes.
and Saturdays. Yeah.
Tuesday and Saturday is fine for
Mm,
their own class. So you don't mix it
yes.
up with the other ones that you're
Yes.
already used to.
Yes.
I will tell her we're sticking
Yes.
to
Yes.
Tuesday and Saturday, please. It's better.
Yes.
Unless
It's
you will
better
be
that way.
stressed out. You already,
Yes.
I just saw your head like this. I just laugh. I said, Chai, I got you. Go and sleep. It's already almost 1 a.m. in Nigeria.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
Okay.
Thank you very much, ma.
Pascal, yes, you can shut down now. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Good night, ma.
Yeah, good night.
Yeah.
Pascal, Pascal, Pascal. Pascal. Hello? Hello? You are not in class now. You're supposed to have shut down the school. You are still on. Hello?
Okay.
You should always be at alert now, so that once I say close the school, you can close the school, because Chigo has logged off. I've been calling Pascal. Pascal, you're not online. If I slap you, I'm sure you are sleeping. Can I hit that?
Alright.
You say?
Alright.
Okay. When you are going to be, carry your laptop. When you are in class, please make sure that you are alert. Okay, so log off, because I'm logging off. Normally, the host closes the class. So